Yo guys, let's go for a technical analysis on Solana, just 3 minutes, so bear with me, it's going to be interesting. This is purely technical analysis, no price prediction. Whatever you read in the title of this video, there is no price prediction. I'm looking now at a weekly time frame. Let's have a look at the weekly, because we clearly want to know where it's going to end. Is it going to when we will have our pullback? It's quite hard to say because it's acting very weirdly at the moment. It's very bullish. So unlike Bitcoin, so it did the opposite of Bitcoin. Let's have a look with the pitchfork here. So I'm going to place it here to the edge of here to the bottom of here, and you can see that we are clearly in the mid-range at the moment in our pitchfork. So we are in the green area, our 50 is here, then we want to go test up to here. So that means we could go as up if it was today at 470. I'm talking on a weekly time frame, and that's why it's so high. But on a weekly time frame, that will bring us to up to a 470. So at least we have a first level here at 239 on a daily, most probably. So let's look at the daily. What do we see? And yeah, you clearly see we got this resistance, which has been traced based on on how many days? Not much, on since the 18th of August, and touching our latest candle here, the one here, the doji candle on the 7th of September. So we really tested it, and now we are clearly on it. So we got this red line here of our pitchfork, which could be our take profit at $2.55. This is one of them, based on the Ichimoku Cloud. Now let's have a look what we can see. We're going to delete this pitchfork. We have our cloud still pointing up. On a daily, we still find with our Tenkan daily here, but you can clearly see our Kijun weekly and Tenkan monthly, of course, is still very flat. This has tendencies to bring back the candle into it. At the moment, it's not happening. So let's look at a 4 hours time frame. Okay, on a 4 hours time frame, we got the Tenkan 4 hours that is quite flat. We have Kijun flat, Tenkan daily flat. So it's creating it's going to create a pullback. It should happen very fairly early now, very soon, I mean, because we see this trend line just above as well, and we've been testing it. Maybe we test it again one more time at $2.1579, maybe again at $2.16, but then we have a pullback. So the pullback will go back into our Tenkan daily, or at least our trend line here. So for those who don't take too much risk, you just use a trend line here, and you know that you could go as low as maybe around 140, 186, 185 today. So that's what it is for the pullback. So that's why we use the Ichimoku, and you can clearly see it's getting flat here. So it's open, so we have accumulation, but it's flat. When it's flat, not much going on. So it's an area where we usually wait for something to happen. And if it's going to go on a pullback, we use Ichimoku and look at our references through our Tenkan 4 hours or our trend line, and that's how we know what will happen. Otherwise, if it goes on a run, we have up to the $253 to go. Okay guys, that's it for the moment. Leave a comment if you want me to do any other technical analysis on the SOL today or tomorrow, and I will do it. Otherwise, I see you for another video, because there is much more to talk about. There is a lot of token very interesting to watch today. So I see you there, and take care. Bye bye.